What's up? I'm Ben, and today I'm going to animate a new intro for my YouTube videos. At the beginning of this video, you saw my current little intro animation from my videos. I'm going to play it again. So it's the monkey, the mascot of the channel, Spanky, the white albino gorilla. And I kind of rebranded the channel from SpankTravision to SPTV because SPTV is shorter, it's easier to tell people about, it's easier to spell, and SpankTravision sounds a bit naughty. So I thought changing it to SPTV would be a good idea. It's less unique. Like, there's a lot of SPTVs on YouTube, but there's like only one SpankTravision. But I don't know, it was just a way to kind of make it easier to tell people about, but still kind of keep the old name. So, and I'm gonna keep the old monkey, but obviously he says SpankTravision in the intro animation, so I just want to change it to SPTV. I kind of have this vision on my head of him like going oh, and like getting really big and then small. So, but yeah, it's all up in my head. So yeah, I just thought I'd record it. I thought it'd be a cool video to see the process of an animation, how I make a little animation. So let's jump right into it. We got to mainly mess with the puppet of the gorilla and give him a new mouth. So here we go. Okay, so here is the new mouth, the way I was imagining it in my head. So in the animation, he's gonna be going like, oh, like his mouth is gonna kind of be moving a lot. I feel like I look stupid when I say that. So yeah, I divided it into these layers so I can manipulate the shape of the mouth, which is the top layer, and then I can manipulate it to make it look like it's changing shape, and then everything beneath it will still be unaffected. And then I separated the top and the bottom teeth because I might be moving those independently of themselves too. So basically everything you want to move by itself has to be its own separate asset or layer. So now I think we're gonna jump into After Effects and kind of mess around with it, because I'm gonna try to throw this just on this mouth on top of the mouth of the old monkey that I already have animated, because then I won't have to redo the static eyes or anything. So let's mess around with that and see what we can do. Okay, so here's what I got for the animation so far. It looks pretty decent, I think. I gotta tweak it a little bit. Yeah, so this is kind of what I had in my brain. The Spanky the monkey zooming in. I'm gonna add my voice and then like yelling like a maniac the whole time. And then it's gonna cut to this SPTV. Please stand by. The stuff that used to be in his eyes, I just used it to mask or be a mask on the for the type SPTV. Motion wave typeface, just really like it. It's bold and thick, looks good. So now I just need to go ahead and add some sound to it. So that'll be the last bit, and we'll get that going right now. Okay, so here is the weird ass. This, I don't know how it got to this point, but this is really weird. I like it though. I think it's funny. So yeah, the main thing I wanted to try out here was this new thing with the mouth, because I've always been kicking this idea in my head to how to make really fluid looking mouth movements by splitting up the teeth from the lips and all that. I did a little bit in my like winking animation and my other my freelance design videos. I mean, it works out fine. I mean, it's obviously not perfect. It's overlapping the shadow right there, and then the line gets a little wobbly too there. It's not perfect, but I still think it looks pretty funny. It's really bizarre. We'll see if I stick with it. Yeah, so hopefully I can edit this into kind of an entertaining video. I just kind of wanted to record this process so you'd kind of see what it was like. I got to reuse a lot of assets, so it wasn't that much work. I had fun recording the weird noise in Audition. I'd show that to you, but I'm using Audition to record this part, so I cannot show you that part, unfortunately. But anyways, if you like this weird ass video, hit subscribe, stick around for a while. You'll be seeing this a lot because I'm gonna put it at the beginning of all my videos. Let me know what you guys think about this animation, and we'll see you in the next one.